Welcome to Mindful Meditation with Kari Rose. Caring for yourself through physical touch. As the mind and body take cues from one another, we can use our own hands to encourage states of ease and comfort. The basic premise is that the human body responds to touch, and touch can change the activity in the nervous system. See if you can familiarize yourself with this practice. Then utilize it in your daily life when you need a way to calm down. Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Breathe deeply through your nostrils, allowing your lungs to fully empty when you exhale. Continue breathing deeply for a moment. As you're breathing deeply, spend a few minutes bringing awareness to your body. Without changing or fixing anything, observe what is present. Notice what physical sensations you can feel and where you feel them. Try to really drop your awareness out of your head and down into your body. Begin supporting yourself by bringing one of your hands to the top of the opposite arm, just below the shoulder. Gently rest your hand here with the intention of offering yourself support. This is a place of support in the human body. Allow yourself to feel the care and support you have for yourself. Tune in to any relaxation in your mind or body. After a few moments, release your hand. Now take a few deep breaths and bring your hand to the back of your head where the spine meets your skull. This is a place where you were held and supported as an infant and can offer a sense of safety and ease. As you gently rest your hand here, allow your body to feel safe and comfortable. breathing deeply and exhaling fully. When you're ready, move your hand to the center of your chest. This stimulates the vagus nerve, releasing oxytocin and engaging the parasympathetic nervous system. Allow your hand to rest here, feeling care for yourself as you relax your body and mind. And when you are ready, allow your hand to relax once again. Let a few minutes pass while you breathe and invite in relaxation to your mind, your body, before opening your eyes.